All right, so I was just watching that podcast with Tokyo and Calvin talking about trading and how it trading is just such a different type of discipline than almost any other thing. I've been like really locked in on my fitness, like working out and getting up and going to the gym. Like I work out in the morning and just being locked in on like my personal fitness for for years now, where I get up and I go exercise. But with the market, it's just a different type of discipline. And it's difficult to want to like always cut corners and speed up the whole process. And I think one of the things she mentioned is, like she tried a couple shortcuts by, trying to use some bots as a way to kind of expedite the process. And there's really no other way to go through it. Like, with trading, you just have to figure yourself out and learn about yourself and just become disciplined. There's really no other way around it. And so for all the beginning, and I don't even trade forex. I still watch podcasts and a lot of different YouTubers that trade different like markets or different currencies or different instruments, not currencies, but different instruments. The psychology part is the thing that carries over. So no matter if you're trading like forex or futures or stocks or options, like that same discipline and self-mastery is something that carries over. So I still learn a lot. And with her, I connect with it so much because, for one of the reasons I failed so many challenges in January and February and March and April. And when I tell you I've been close, I've been, $100, a few $100s away from like passing the challenge. And I would allow I would just get out of myself, break my rules when they work for me and help me get so far along. They were giving me consistency, and then I would just break my rules. And it was always something that I was doing that really would derail what I was doing. So for her, I really connected with that piece, and I was like, I just got to record something and upload it just so folks that are looking, maybe you don't see that podcast episode, maybe you just happen to stumble on this. If you are on your trading journey, or not even trading, if you're just trying to master discipline and just become a better person overall, there's really no shortcut. You just got to go through the mud and stay locked in. So I really enjoy. I'm halfway through the podcast. I'm gonna go finish the rest of it, but I just want to give her a shout and give Calvin a shout, for having that platform as a way to kind of discuss and have a community for traders to really discuss, and learn. Really, that's why I'm on there. Like I said, I'm part of the infotainment, to be informed and be entertained. So, now today was one of those days where, I did not trade exactly the way I would like to. I did break some rules. I've been really good about it. Fortunately, I was able to, walk away with, being green on the day. So I'm still up on my challenge, but those are the type of things that I'm really trying to root out. So even though you know better, I always say, just because you know better, it doesn't mean that you're going to do better. I used to always hear like a quote growing up: if you know better, you do better. But the more I learn about myself, the more I learn about like this particular skill set. Just because you know better, just because you know the right thing to do, doesn't give you the ability, to do the right thing. So that's part of this journey. That's what I want to make sure that I continue to work on, becoming a better, more consistent trader and a more disciplined person overall. Because I've heard it many times, and I say it because I believe it too. How you do one thing is how you do everything. So I want to make sure that I'm, delivering in all areas, not just in my trading, but just in all areas of life. So that's all I got, man. I appreciate you tuning in. Hoping you're having a great trading day, a great weekend. If you are sticking to your plan, if you're breaking rules, just make sure you're practicing risk management and not over trading. Because even if you are still learning about trading and you don't understand like a lot of technicals or the fundamentals about the different instruments you're trading or whatever the case is, Um, if you are practicing proper risk management and not over leveraging, you're going to be able to stay in the game long enough to figure out trading and figure yourself out. So um, definitely make sure you learn everything you can about risk management, and yeah, you'll do fine. So thanks for watching, and hope you have a great weekend. Peace.